How to change data type in Tableau. This free tutorial is brought to you by Tableau.Courses. Tableau.Courses is the go-to learning platform for career switchers and newbies. Learn more at www.tableau.courses. Hello, and welcome to this how-to video. I'm Marco, and I will be your instructor for this session. You can learn more about me at blog.tableau.courses/Marco. I hope you will enjoy this session together. Today, you will learn how to change data type in Tableau. This skill is part of the Tableau certification exam. You can learn more about the certification and requirements at get.tableau.courses/certification. To follow along with this lesson, you need to connect to a source in Tableau and be familiar with the Tableau workspace. If you need help, please look at the recommended tutorials linked in the video notes. This lesson does not require a specific set of data, but in case you need a sample set of data, you can download it at get.tableau.courses/sample dataset. Changing data type in Tableau is straightforward. Let's do it together. When opening a dataset, Tableau associates a data type to each field and generates a few fields. You can distinguish the auto-generated fields because they are in italic. You should verify and adjust any incorrect data type assignation at this stage. Let's have a look at it together. The most common data type mistakes are strings instead of dates, strings or numbers instead of geographic fields, strings or numbers instead of booleans. Changing the data type in Tableau is straightforward. First, click on the symbol beside the field of interest. Then, select the correct data type. The process is still the same in the case of geographic information. The only difference is that you need to specify the geographic level of the data. Let's see a few examples together. Date of birth should be a date rather than a string. Click on the data type symbol and select date. Place of birth should be a geographic field rather than a string. It contains the city in which the user was born. Click on the data type symbol, select geographic role, then click city. Postal code should be a geographic field. Click on the data type symbol, select geographic role, then click post code. Registration date should be a date rather than a string. Click on the data type symbol and select date. Congratulations! Now you can change data types in Tableau. This skill is part of the Tableau certification exam. You can learn more about the certification and requirements at get.tableau.courses/certification. Next, I am sharing a few videos I think you'll find interesting. This is Marco from Tableau.Courses. Tableau.Courses is the go-to learning platform for career switchers or newbies. Learn more at www.tableau.courses. Thanks for watching, and those videos are coming up next.